The Lost Key.
This is the story of a girl named Emily. She was 8 years old. Emily lived in a big old house with her family. One day, she found something shiny. It was a golden key. Emily was curious. What does this key open? She asked herself. She decided to keep the key in her room. But the next morning, the key was gone. Emily was surprised. "Where is my key?" she asked. "I have to find it." Emily searched everywhere. She looked under her bed, in her drawers, and in her bag. But the key was nowhere to be found. Emily felt sad. Suddenly, she heard a soft voice. "The key is not lost," the voice said. "It is hidden. Find it and you will discover something special." Emily was confused. "Who is speaking?" she asked. But no one was there, only the voice. "I must find the key," Emily thought. "Maybe it will lead to something exciting." Emily decided to start her search outside. She went to the garden. She looked behind the big green bushes. She looked inside the birdhouse, but there was no key. Instead, Emily found a small old piece of paper. It was a note. The note said, "Look where the moonlight falls." Emily thought, where could that be? That night, Emily thought about the note. Where does this moonlight fall in the house? She wondered. Then she remembered the attic, a small room at the top of the house. The moonlight always shone through the window. Emily climbed the stairs to the attic. The moonlight lit up the room. Something shiny caught her eye. It was not the key, but another note. It said, "Go to the place where your heart feels warm." Emily thought, where does my heart feel warm? Then she knew. The kitchen. Emily loved to sit with her family in the kitchen. She ran downstairs and into the kitchen. She looked around, on the counter, inside the cupboards, and even in the fruit bowl. Then she saw it. The key was inside a jar on the top shelf. Emily felt happy and excited. But something was strange. The key was glowing now. It was not like before. With the key glowing in her hand, Emily remembered the strange door in the house. The door was old and no one ever opened it. Maybe this key unlocks that door, Emily thought. She walked to the door and put the key in the lock. The door opened slowly. Behind the door was a room Emily had never seen before. The room was full of wonders. There were books that told stories and toys that could move on their own. Inside the room, Emily learned something important. The key was not just a normal key, it was special. The room told her a secret about her family. Emily smiled. She knew that the real treasure was not the key itself, but the adventure it gave her. She learned that when you are curious, you can discover amazing things. Emily never lost the key again. She kept it safe. But she remembered the lesson. Sometimes the key to great things is hidden in the things we love the most. And with a little curiosity, anything is possible.